Led by our Deputy Governor, Honorable His Excellency Titus Tochu, received drugs, medicines, non-pharmaceuticals, laboratory materials that are going to be distributed to our health facilities across Meru County. This is our regular ordering of supplies from KEMSA. As you are aware, we are in a new financial year, so at the beginning of the financial year from July, and to have been able to receive these drugs actually in September is a big step for us, because we have been able to avoid delays that could have happened in getting supplies at the beginning of the financial year. And these supplies will go down to the dispensaries. Today what we have flagged off are the drugs and other medical supplies for the level 4 and level 5 hospitals. And during the week and in the coming week, we shall be able to avail drugs all the way down to the dispensaries. This is just to continue increasing our stocks in the facilities so that the people of Meru can be provided with adequate medicines and supplies.
CC Member for Health in Meru County. Today as a department, we are very happy because we have received consignment of drugs worth 73 million to add to the stock of what we have here already, so that now we can be able to have adequate stock for this quarter of the financial year. I sincerely want to thank our county government, and then by His Excellency the Governor Kiraitu Moroge, for giving health first priority in providing us these drugs, which will add to the stock which we have, and this ones now will ensure that we have adequate for this quarter, and our health workers now will be comfortable because now we have plenty for the remaining 1 quarter of the year. And to the members of the public, let's use our facilities, and we want to thank you because you have been coming to get services in our various facilities in the Meru County. And for our health workers, let's continue taking care of our people just the same way we have been doing it.
To receive drugs and medical supplies on behalf of Governor, worth 73 million. This is really, the routine orders that we make every now and then. And the reason why we decided to flag off this in an open ceremony like this is so that everybody in our county can be able to see that we have enough supplies, drug supplies in our hospitals. Because sometimes I see people trying to play politics, with the matters health. Sometimes people say, our government is not buying drugs for our hospitals. Really, we keep buying all the time. This is something that we don't have to be told to, by anyone to do. It is our responsibility. And our governor, when it comes to matters health are very dear to our government. We have done a lot of investment in this sector, not only in drug supplies, but even investing in our other infrastructure. County government, as we speak, is already in the process of completing a 300 ward block, a new one. You saw the other day, Minister for Health Services at the national level, Mutahi Kagwe. He came to open the state-of-the-art ICU facility in level 5. You saw him opening a renal unit. We now have a blood transfusion center. So there are a lot of things that we are doing in this sector. So I'm asking our workers, I'm asking our health union officials not to bring politics when it comes to matters health. You know what we have done over the last 4 years since we took over. Recently, in fact, beginning 1st of July, we have promoted 489 healthcare workers. Those non-common category. We have always been promoting common conduct every now and then. So we are doing a lot in this sector. Over 35% of our annual budget, in fact close to 38% now, is invested in this health sector. So we are doing a lot. So we are asking everybody really not to bring politics when it comes to matters health in our county.